All right, now, if you want to get good, decent deals on blankets and sheets and stuff like that and pillows, there's a shop called La Serena. It's a chain, they got it everywhere. Let's take a look at the video. So here are some of the blankets and sheets and quilts that they got. And look at these prices. Like this is for a set right here. See, so for the same price that you're gonna get like a little thin cover for the inner quilt, here you can get like a whole set of like pillowcases, the thin sheet, the bed cover, all for like the same price. On here, the pillows. So the pillows are pretty cheap, about $8 for each pillow, and this is like a queen size. So you can get 2 pillows for like $16 and then 4 pillows for $32. That's pretty good. What else? And then they got towels here. These towels are about, let me see, the one on the far right is like about $12. And then these over here are like $14, $15. Only things you gotta watch out because some of them, the quality is not good. So when you wash them in the machine, like all the crap will come out, like the fibers. Like this one is good, the one I'm holding right now. This one, the fibers are not gonna come out. But those white ones in the back, yeah, the fibers are definitely gonna come out. Yeah, so in retrospect, I should have gotten the other ones. Whatever, live and learn. And then here we got plates and stuff. So look, the 70 peso plates, 75 peso plates, that's like $1.25, $1.25. And these are like plasticky, or yeah, kind of like some sort of plastic. Or no, these are not plastic, these are like porcelain or ceramic. Yeah, these are pretty cheap. And then cups, about the same price. That's ironic, $1.25. Yeah, so look, spoons, 35 pesos. So just to keep in mind, 55 pesos is $1. So 35 pesos is like 60 cents. Yeah. These forks are 20 pesos, 19 pesos, but still, that's pretty cheap. So yeah, you want to save money, you go to La Serena. This is La Serena right here. See the logo up here. So yeah, this place is decent for like some of that stuff. But some other stuff are overpriced, but it is what it is. All right, and this other shop is called Jumbo, Jumbo. And here they got a lot of, similar to La Serena, but I'm trying to think what's the difference. The difference is like, it's kind of difficult to say what is the difference. Like some things are cheaper here and then other things are expensive. So mileage may vary. However, we came here to look at the pots to boil water with, which this is like probably some of the cheaper pricing that I found, because at La Serena they didn't have these pots and pans for like cheap. It was kind of expensive over there. So Jumbo is good for, try to find like cheap pots and pans and cups also, like drinking cups. They also have a supermarket section, and the food is pretty decently priced there compared to like Nacional, because Nacional is a supermarket chain, one of the biggest ones, and they're owned by the same company as Jumbo. So the prices are going to be pretty decent when it comes to food. And then this next video I'm loading up. So here's the quilts. So here the price is about $29, roughly $30. And like it was a bit cheaper here, and the quality wasn't too bad. I tried these same blankets at our Airbnb in Piantini. Piantini is like it's a fancy area here in Santo Domingo, and I really like these sheets, so that's why I came to Jumbo to try to find those sheets and better pricing. So this one, they got blackout curtains at Jumbo. The prices are all the same, the sizing are all the same. It's roughly like $16. And these blackout curtains are really good. They really do block out all the light, because that sun is super strong here. So Jumbo, that's the name of the shop. And here they were having a special promotion for Mother's Day. So that's Jumbo. So Jumbo is another good place. So far we got La Serena and Jumbo. And another good place to go is this little video right here, Price Smart. Now, Price Smart is warehouse shopping. You need a membership card, and it's essentially Costco, except just with a different name. So Price Smart, they have really good deals on things like they have mops. The one was with the special buckets that you can just like put the mop into, and then it'll kind of wring it out like this in a spin cycle. You can also get good deals on televisions. Like normally everywhere else, the TV prices are like crazy through the roof. So like Price Smart is the only place where I found that has good deals on TVs. So I think this day that we came here, we came looking for TVs. You know, it's kind of funny, like you go so far away from the US, but it still follows you. All right, so this is what it looks like, and then as we get closer to the door, you see how much it looks like Costco, because it practically is Costco. So you come in, there's a guy on the side, which, here we go, show him your card, and you get Costco, and you get Costco deals here. Only thing is like these air fryers are super expensive here. That one was a little bit not too bad, cheaper than what I've seen normally here, but it's like over $100 for like an air fryer. I don't know why air fryers are so expensive now. That's got to be all the tax, the 18% tax. And then refrigerators, ever since the pandemic, the prices on the refrigerators have gone like through the roof. The place where I've seen the good deal was at Coripio, which I have to look around to see if I have a video for that. But I'll do a video later where I'll show the one that I got, the fridge I got, and washing machine I got from Coripio when they were having a Mother's Day sale. So I got the Mother's Day discounts. And then here they got the TVs. But yeah, you want TVs, go to Price Smart. You got to pay membership, but it's a small price to pay, and you save a lot of money on a TV. And then here's the cafeteria. Ooh, they got the strawberry sundae. How big that is. It's huge. That's a huge sundae. And then they got the hot dogs. They don't got Polish dogs, they just got hot dogs. But take a look at this. And the relish and ketchup and mustard and mayo come in packages. They don't have it like in a dispenser, like at Costco. And then they got the hot dog, looks just like Costco, because it is Costco. Oh yeah. I can't believe they got rid of the Polish hot dog at Costco. Yeah, it's authentically Costco. Alright, so check it out. This is the mattress I got at A&B Electromueble shop. It's called Posto Perico. And the nice thing about this one is that it's not a pillow top. Because the problem with like mattresses I found in DR is like a lot of people love pillow tops, but me personally, I don't like them because, well, usually pillow tops have, foam on top, and I have foam allergies, so I get super hot when I sleep with foam. And so for that case, I just had to go with a standard mattress. It just typically has like a cotton filler inside. And the nice thing about this one is if we look underneath, kind of hard to see, but it's flippable. You can use both sides. So the nice thing is, like, every mattress you have, you should make a habit of flipping it, every few months, just so that it breaks in evenly. And so for this mattress, I got it without the baseboard. The baseboard I got at what's it called, Price Smart. And the thing about that is it comes with the legs. And obviously these legs are a little bit, on the janky side, but it's not IKEA janky, but they hold up pretty well. Well, I estimate maybe within a year or so, they might, start breaking off. And then at that point, I'll go back to Price Smart and get the steel frames, the ones with the wheels on it, to replace them. But I guess I use the same baseboard. So I got this baseboard at Price Smart. I think I paid like $100 for it. Came with the legs. And then the mattress was about 20,000 pesos, which is maybe about $360. And it's a queen size. So it's pretty big. It's big without going to king size territory, because like king size takes up way more space. And then I got the 2 IKEA lamps, and I got the blackout curtains. And then I got like 2 cheap side tables. Let me show you the fridge and everything else. So this is the washing machine. It's pretty big. It's a Whirlpool. It's a 16 kilograms. So you can fit a lot of stuff in here. I got like 2 bed sheets and some clothes in here that need to be washed. And then you put the soap in here. That's a pretty big size. And then here's the refrigerator. It's a TEC. I just added the beast to it to call bistec, which means steak in Spanish. It's a pretty decent size. It's not Dominican size. Dominican size would be a little bit bigger. It's already full with like meats and stuff. And then down here I gotta go shopping again, but so all the stuff I got in here. So that's a pretty good size for one person. And that's that for the fridge. That's the tech piece here. Everything's Chinese based here. Because the weird thing that happened is like since the pandemic happened, let me get some good lighting in my face. There we go. Since the pandemic happened, the prices on fridges have gone all the way through the roof. So you'd be hard pressed to try to find a fridge for like less than $350, $60, $380. Especially one that's this size, Like I saw like student fridges that like maybe just the size of the fridge area going for like about the same price. I'm like, that's ridiculous. I want a full size one if I'm gonna pay that price. And look, energy costs $46 a year. That's pretty good. And then moving to the stove. Excuse the hot mess. It's a bit of a mess right now. I'm gonna get it clean. It's a Windex. The guy says American brand. Yeah, America through China, right? So like, this is what it looks like. You got the stove on top, and then you got the oven down here. You have to light the pilot to the pilot hole right there. Yeah, so we got the lighter right here, old school. It's not electric, so like don't have to spend any money on that, and that's parts to fix. So you gotta light it every time. And I only paid like 7,000 pesos for that, which is about roughly $130 for this whole thing. Like for a little bit less, Serena only sells like the top of the stove for like 5,000 pesos, which is like maybe like $90, $100. But only for like 2,000 pesos more, you get an oven. Like that's way worth it. And then I want to show you the flame, what it looks like. Look at that flame! All for like $130. How can you beat that? You can't beat that flame, man. That's a strong ass flame right there. That's a good deal. That's like the best deal. And then I got the range here. It's American range, probably from China. Got the light and the fan, which you know how it works. This came with the apartment, so I didn't have to pay for that. But typically, you might have to get this if it doesn't come with the apartment and AC units. And you can get a furnished apartment, but then you're gonna be paying like $200 more per month. So in a year, that's like $2,400 extra. With that money, you can be putting it towards something else, like I don't know, food, electricity, internet bill. So it doesn't make any sense to spend the extra, especially if you're gonna stay here for a bit. So yeah, that's that. Oh, and here's the air conditioner. Typically, if you move into a place, it usually doesn't have air conditioning, especially if it's not furnished. But this one came with the air conditioner. If you were to get one, you gotta get one for like every room, one living room and one in the bedroom. And then they gotta install the compressor and all that other jazz. And the AC units aren't cheap. Probably each one would probably cost maybe like almost $1,000. So there you have it. If you want to get kitchen stuff and some bathroom little items, you can go to IKEA. IKEA's got good prices on that stuff. If you want to get furniture, beds, and sofas, I do not recommend IKEA. Super expensive because it feels like way more than 20% tax that they add onto the prices. If you want to get furniture like beddings and stuff, I actually would recommend going to Price Smart. You can buy a mattress with a box spring, and you can get a metal frame at Price Smart, for way cheaper and a good deal than where you find anywhere else. If you want a bed frame, you got to go to other places. Like maybe there's an area called Villa Consuelo, which is in an upcoming video, and they have like a lot of different like mom and pop furniture stores where like they kind of make this stuff in house. Or you can also go to Chinatown. They have furniture stores there, and you can get bed frames as well there. But if you want to get like stuff like, if you don't want to go IKEA and you want to get like stuff for the home, like bedding, and then stuff for the kitchen and stuff like that, it's a toss-up between La Serena and Jumbo. Those are the two places I would recommend going. And I would say Villa Consuelo, but I didn't check that much in Villa Consuelo to see, what are the prices on some of the kitchen stuff, because it kind of seems like the prices was kind of similar across the board for some of the things I looked at between there and IKEA and La Serena and Jumbo. So it just depends. You have to go looking for the deals if you want to get the deals. So with that said, hopefully you got a good idea of like, how much things are going to cost and what to expect to spend. Okay, so with that said, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and hit subscribe. And also make sure to visit deonstravels.com for more information about either becoming an expat or trying to live the digital nomad lifestyle or trying to work remotely. So until next time, peace.